Hi friend, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial is going to quickly show you how to braid the alphabet A. So you're going to choose where you want your letter to be and then make like a big triangle, just the size of the A. Then you choose the middle section where you're going to part the arm that cuts across A. So once you section that off, you braid it just the way I am doing. When you are done with this, you shear the triangle into two equal sections down the middle, just like this. Now we are going to proceed to braid one part all the way down. Braid over the middle one that crossed. Just braid right over it, straight down all the way to the tail of the braid or to the tips of the hair. Okay, so when we are done with this, we'll go back to the other side and also braid that one down. But when you get to the middle section, okay, starting it off, I used a latch hook to add a little hair to the other side so that I won't have like the scalp showing clearly. I wanted that to form like a bridge between the two legs coming down. See the way I bended over the tail of the braid from that previous from the middle arm that crossed over. Join it into your braid as you braid down. Try not to drag it too tightly because it's going to shrink the middle part of the letter A and you don't want that. So once you place it into your braid, make sure it is loose enough but firm enough but not too tight. Okay, so I was just double checking there, and then you can braid everything down. Now you can accessorize this how you want. If the hair is shorter or even longer depending on where it is on the face, you can just add beads. If it's for a little girl, that's going to be really cute. If you cannot deal with the hair, you can fold it over and sew it with needle and thread over the top of the letter A as it is already. I have done several other alphabets and you can see different ways you can maneuver the tail of the braid if you don't want to incorporate it into the braids on the scalp again. But either way, you can accessorize with strings. For people who don't know how to use strings to accessorize their hair, I have tutorials showing that. Maybe I will link it in the at the end of this video so that you can see it. If you don't know how to add beads to hair, when you don't have a beader, when you don't have a latch hook, I have a tutorial showing 5 different ways you can use items that you can easily reach in the house to make or to add strings to your braids. So I just use these golden claps to accessorize this one just to show you. I believe it looks really cute, and because the hair was too long and I didn't want it dangling all the way, you can see the way I folded it back. Like, just feel free to play with it. I have all the other alphabets, another A to Z on my channel, all the numbers. I have had braids, flowers, stars, butterflies. Just check them out for your braid designs. Thank you.